Not everyone is meant to blend in. Some people we are born to be remembered. A bold scarf, you don't wear it quietly, you let it speak. Dramatic folds, sharp styling, high contrast. Let them stare. Confidence is not arrogance, it's self-recognition. The scarf becomes the spotlight. Every step is intentional. Every turn is cinematic. This is not fashion, this is impact. Be bold, be dramatic, be unforgettable.
Hold me close, hold me close. Don't let go, don't let go. If you stay right here with me, I can breathe, I can breathe. Hold me close, make this moment slow. You and me, that's all I need. Just stay close, stay close. You laugh with your eyes when the room goes dim. My heart gets reckless every time you're in. I don't need forever, just your next, your now. With your forehead near mine, I'll forget the how. Say you feel it too, say you feel this way. I've been holding back, but I can't today. Hold me close, hold me close.